Long live the spirit of leadership. Long live Amandla, Amandla.
Awuskokele wemnisi lendawo lesikuyo. Awuskokele wemnisi lendawo lesikuyo. Awuskokele fortune Batuleze baziqiniso lendawo yesibuyo. Amandla wethu uqala inyanga long live. Amandla ngeke baliboni izulu baye thakatha. Was nine. Ngeke baliboni izulu baye thakatha. Awethu amandla,
high moral,
high discipline, high moral.
Hembe abula humacha, 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 hembe abula humacha. Hawole moto hubotela ezi awate. Hawole moto hubotela ezi awate. Awate simau awate. Simau awate. Hawole moto hubotela ezi awate. Hawole moto hubotela ezi awate. Awate simau awate.
Amandla awethu comrades doctor sihlale phansi sizothi nje kwale brief because akusi meeting, it's just a brief. Comrades, ngiyacabanga ukuthi njengoba singanamuhla sivakashelwe iprovince, savakashalwa High National Command, sicabanga ukuthi konke kuzohamba kahle. Ngicabanga ukuthi uche wethu angafika azosimukelela ihambeli zethu, asimukele nathi sonke sisendlini. Cela singene ngaphakathi, abangaphandle abangene ngaphakathi. Comrade brief la ngaphakathi akuse meeting. Ukuma uzoyibamba endleleni. Siyaya over to you, Chair.
Amanda. Sanibonani maqabane. Mina isikhathi sosebenza sesiyangishaya. Ngoba ngithe ngizophuma ngo-12 la kuyosebenza ngaphandle emphakathini. Ngokuthi qabho nje sizocela uba umfundisi asivulele ngomthandazo. Sakusisake thina singama MK la e14 sinomfundisi wethu. Uzasivulela ngomthandazo ukuthi siyamukelekile la ngaphakathi sonke sisazobingelela ikhulu zethu sezikhona ngaphakathi. Bisacela umfundisi welcome asivulele nje ngomthandazo. Siyabonga.
Haleluya. Sithandazeni baba egameni lika Jesu, uNkulunkulu wethu ophila kuze kube phakade. Siyabonga Nkosi ukuthi usigcine.
Amandla. Amandla. Ngokhulu ukuphuzela amaqabane. Umpolongo ome ngaphambi kwenu umenywa kaNtuli Ward 14 ochairperson wa Ward 14. Ngibingelele ikhulu zethu la ngaphambili. Sizazo yithula nazo ukuthi zizisho ukuthi zingabobani abasivakashele. Sibonga kakhulu ukuthi hayi namhlanje kuhamba kahle, sivakashele izikhulu ngempela. Si Ward 14 elisungkhondo sisonke singama MK.
Unesana. Yebo comrade. Siyabonga. Awukaziphethele mic comrade.
Asibonga. Chairperson, ngicela ukulungisa nje nalo daba oluncane la. Before tulihambele zethu. Sine collective decision la. Ngisengakakhuluma umhlala nje simo ukuze meeting yakho ihambe kahle. Usazobheka umkhombe ngokwenza ukukhuluma. Okwamanje i-collective decision ithi ngoba sinalelo unit emkhona sibhizi ngayo. Kunama-comrades sibona ukuthi abasibambisi le unit esinawo la emkhona. So ke i-decision ithi sicela ucomrade ubaba uNkosi, ucomrade ubaba uNjabulo Mthabela, besithe kuzoba nocomrade uThuthwane Nkosi. Besicela ukuthi bangabe part of us. Sizomase siqedile leadership sizoyazisa ukuthi kungani. Bese siyaya ngikuwa ama-comrades ngoba angawethu. So sesiyaya sesiyayilungisela ngoba le ndlela ye-unit sasihambe kahle sonke, singaprethendelani, singanyathelani namakhona ngenhloso. So ke le project esinayo la e14 njengamanje ngoba elections sifisa ukuthi ihambe kahle smooth. So asifisi ukuthi kube nehilo comrade. So sinaleyo submission comrade eqinisekisa siyabonga.
Amandla. Amandla. Owethu. Comrade morning. Ngibingelela uPaul bonke be-national, ngibingelela i-provincial leader. ngicabanga ukuthi sokhuluma okuningi mhlawumbe ukuze ngi-emphasize ukuthi kungabi ne-confusion. Igama lami nguThobisi Makanisi, mhlawumbe kukhuluma umuntu olindelekile ukuthi uzokhuluma ngoba vele ngiyahluleka ukungakhuluma uzuma wasithuma ukuthi sizolibhalisa abantu ukuthi bakhululeke. So ithwebha ngizokhuluma kanti ulindele ukuthi ngikhulume ngizokhuluma. So ngicabanga ukuthi ithi lento eshiwo ucomrade la senzele ubuholi ukuthi kungabi confused ukuthi why kuba ne-selection amongst us. It's because of we are welcoming everyone ofuna ukusiza lento yalamkhono ePholini except ama-comrade esesiwamentionile ngamagama adifye i-collective decision yasemkhono ahamba ayokwenza lezi zinto esicabanga ukuthi azama ukubuyisa upholi. So sibone ngathi akusizo-addressa wona because ayayazi i-collective decision ethathwe i-MK party emkhona. So ayithatha ayoyi-convert sicela ukukhuluma nopholi sichazele lama problems ezisifuna ukuwachaza kuqala ngalama comrade. I-task yobuholi ukuthi bese kuyohlala nalama comrade athole lento esiyishilo aphinde athole isayini nalama comrade. Ngicabanga ukuthi iphendulo ubuholi kuzosizakala after sekuthathe kithi base kuyothatha kuphi. But for the sake of peace ukuze sihlale kahle nochairperson wethu ne-national yethu ama-comrade adecide ukungahlali nale collective sicela ukuthi angahlali lo mhlangano with a peace awoke out sikhulume nopholi ukuthi upholi kungahlala nabo uthole le problem kuyisolve and then bazobe sebasijoyina mhlawumbe ngelinye ilanga if is not today. Amandla
ngiyabonga ukuthi-ke nje konke lokhu besisiqalile sekezwakala ukuthi siyakuphi. Amandla okuningi ngiyabingelela uphole kusebufikile ngaphakathi. Si-MK siyabonga kakhulu kusiyabamukela ukuthi bebe khona la ngaphakathi. Okuningi ngizocela ukuthi ngikureferele kubaba uMabhiliyoni Mabuza.
Amandla comrade mhlawumbe angazi noma siyaqhubeka ngoba ngizwe ngathi nina
Amandla awethu sanibonani ninjani siyaphila no bengicela ukulekelela ngegama ngubongani ubaloyo head of elections for organization silana ngoba kunokhetho so into esizele ukuzokhuluma ngokhetho by election so umzila wethu owami specifically ukhetho kuphela. Other leadership issues unfortunately ngabuya with a different hat as a member of the High Command deployed to deal with leadership dispute and regional issues. So bengicela ukuthi esingapreempt ukuthi lo mhlangano yosisa kuphi. Asimukele ukuthi sinekhetho namhlanje sizothola i-feedback from ama members wethu ukuthi ukhetho kuhambe kanjani so far nokuthi inkinga mayelana ukhetho noma ama challenges what has it been, how do we intervene. Okokunye ukuthi ubani occupy what level of structure bengicela ukuthi singakufaki lana ngoba kungeni esokuzele kakhulu kuzozwa kini so far ukuthi progress ikuphi solekelela kuphi lokho kunye akungeni. So bengicela nje njengoba ngiclarify ukuthi ngoba size ngokhetho kune progress, you've made progress khona nokwenzile okuningi sizozwela kini ukuthi kukuphi singalekelela kuphi sibambisane kuphi. That's the main purpose namhlanje. Bengicela ukuthi okunye kungangeni kule platform yokhetho asibhekane nokhetho kuphela. Amandla awethu so bengicela nje ngalomoya leyo ukuthi asibhekane nokhetho. I-program yethu bezohamba ngicela ukuchaza the next part ngicela nibeke ehliseni phansi ngichaze i-program yethu ukuthi ahamba kanjani njengoba suggesting ngakhona bekuzoba i-opening welcoming no ngicela ukuchaza ukuthi sizo-accommodate na kanjani ngicela ukuthi
no comrade chairperson asifuni ukungena emeetingini singaka-resolve le ndaba le comrade sizongena kule show vele size ngokhetho but sifuna ukulungisa lokho and asikhulumi ngeyi-structure sikhuluma ngama-members e-MK ama-ground forces e-MK we in that basis asikhulumi nge-leadership sikhuluma in the basis of being a member of the MKP residing in Mkhondo municipality.
Yeah, mhlonishwa ubaloi. Mhlonishwa ubaloi. You are in a good stand ukuthi uduze nge-election. Of which is one of respect for the election. Must start in space, don't make that mistake. As in space, the distance goes. Then the sikoxela sikoxela indaba zasekhaya. Sizoxoxela kabanzi. But kuzoba kuwe mase bangekho kuzoba kuwe ukuthi ngicela ngangixoxe but bazobe bangekho. So sicela uma ingena impela le ngoba ngelinye ilanga sawulahlekelwa uJZ uzoshona uJZ simzwile umuntu ungekho. Sithi sifuna ukukutshela ukuthi sicela aphume lo muntu lo ukuthi uzodubula uZuma. Uthi wena ayangizanga ngaloko miyekeni afu uZuma. So protect our organization. This is our state, this is our home. We are saying our people.
Amandla. Comrades, ngaphandle kokubambelela sibingelele uchairperson wethu Mama Mkhwebane. Siyabingelela kakhulu mama ukuthi ukhona. Sibingelela uComrade Baloyi naye wonke ama-comrades enihamba nawo. Comrades, lana siqale sabantu ama-process aqale kalula. Siqale thina sahlala saba i-branch sodwa yase-Ward 14. Sibuke ukuthi skiphe i-date yokuthi sokhetha i-candidates yanini, kokhetha i-candidates singama ground forces e-Ward 14. Saba ne-date yaba umhla ka-22 kwaba umgqibelo. Then sabiza-ke sakhona ukuhela sabiza umphakathi wonke wezomphakathi kulole holo lethu. Sakhona ukukhetha. Nama was one of the candidates. Futhi bese ngibona ngikhansela. Ngenhlanhla ngoba khona ucandidate owinayo othandwa umphakathi. Nami nginabambe bangithanda kodwa futhi baba uhalf kanjalo. Baba baningi abathanda ukhansela lo nomunye okhethiwe. Samkhetha ucandidate. Sinayo ucandidate manje umfortune Mnisi. Sicela usukume umbe ngapha Fortune Mnisi. Samkhetha ucandidate sinaye manje nangu umkhethiwe.
Glory. Our candidate.
Njengoba nje sishilo ukuthi asinawo umhlangano mhlambe ibrief esinika yona. Sakwakhetha ucandidate emphakathini, cha umphakathi wamjabulela. Bebakhona ke nabanye bakwamanye amaward abazosupport iprocess. Ngokulekelela ubabiyende regional election manager. Wasilekelela kakhulu. Ubabiyende ngoba nguye bekonekthela ama-processes. Samcela bamnkosi mhlambe lo bacela ukuthi akaphume la. Wacelwa ngawo wonke la ma-processes sicela ukuthi abe khona. Wahluleka bamnkosi bakhona wagcina sasitshela ukuthi uresignile angidelana nento se-Ward 14. Bekafonelwa yiminyaka Comrade Baloyi ngefoni yami. Ngicela ukuthi ke sithi masiqhubeka sihamba saba ne-problem yokuregister ucandidate. Saphinde sabuyela kuye uComrade Baloyi uComrade ubaba uNkosi. Bamnkosi cela ukuthi the candidates esinayo ukhetho emphakathini because mhlamba uphumelelana now ama minutes ethu na attendance register eyaba khona and what so sibona sekuflyer sekukhulunywa kuma WhatsApp group esingawazi okunye basekukhulunywa but then I won't go there ngoba namhla i-brief akuse meeting sizoya lapha. I was just giving you a brief ukuthi la sinayo candidates esikhethile sinawo konke ekwethu sikucela ke nje ukuthi silekelele ngalama elections ukuthi siwine le ward because iward elibhekwa kakhulu na-ANC libhekile nawo bonke vele izinto esizoba nazo la emkhondo izoba ukuthi zibangwa i-ANC kule ward because abanye bethu njengamosomabhizinisi so siyazi ukuthi mhlawumbe sinemabhizinisi nayo abenje umasipala okwenzeka ukuthi bazoxabanisa ngawo si-Ward 14 or singama-ground forces asemkhondo as a whole ukuthi wena suka la Ward 8 uye Ward 14 yodala ncisho unqubo suka e-Ward 16 uye Ward 14 yodala ncisho unqubo. Ngicabanga ukuthi yonke lento leyo ingavela kanjalo but thina si-collective si-Ward 14 si-happy nge-candidate lethu. Mangabe khona ngokho happy uzawuphakamisa isandla futhi naye asho ukuthi awukho happy wena ngakuphi nangakuphi nikhona i-leadership but akusiwo meeting Mama Mkhwebane. Angazi noma khona benizofuna ukusho nina sizokwazi ukunikezela ngakini nikhulume kodwa ke before
Amandla simasicela i-briefing sicela ukwazi ukuthi seni nenze sama-door to door ni mithemi zengakhi njengoba sikhulumile ukuthi sizofika la siyokwenza i-door to door naye ukhansela sizobuya sikhulume all these things lezi enizirayizayo ezingasiqiniso sizozicorrecta ukuthi kwenzakaleni. So for now i-briefing esicelayo ukuthi after nenzi leyo meeting and then nenzi door to door aphi labo bantu labo anibenzile bakhona la ku voters roll aphi ama canvassing sheets enwagcwalisi. So that's what now we can have, and then siyeke siyokwenza i-door to door, siye emphakathini sizobuya sizokhuluma. That's what I'm just asking ukuthi senze ngoba ilanga seliyashisa yabo.
Babiyandi uzongena comrade uMnisi nawo comrade uMlungu nawo comrade uBiro.
Amandla long live Jacob Zuma, long live siphilele Mamalala, siphilele comrades sanibona bese beshila igama ngoMhlaliseni Sibongo ngakwayende mhlawumbe angazi bengathi mhlawumbe ukube bekuya ngami because le esinikezwe yona uchairperson ngicabanga ukuthi sonke njengoba sili la inhloso yethu yinye ama-elections. And ama-elections akukho kunye okudlula lokho. So when you are dealing with elections, you must deal with only numbers and ama-voter. But ke kunendaba njengoba esho ukuthi ePesini ngibona izandla ziyaphakama ukuthi ezithinta umuzi lezi ezithinta umuzi ke zibizwa ngokuthi zipolitical. Then le ndaba epolitical zenza le process yama election ingahambi smooth ngoba kunendaba ezipolitical ezisalele emuva. So ke le concern ke engifuna ukuthi mhlambe sicacise ukuhlonipha uchairperson ngoba comrade Ubaloyi national election manager then igama nje sengishilo ngomhlaliseni ngiyabona bowulizwa noma ulizwela phansi ngoba ikhona lento ethi umhlaliseni uyi-election manager u-regional election manager iphinde kuthiwa hayi akusiyi umhlaliseni azivumelananga ngayo ngaya kuma-interviews comrade Ubaloyi engicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe yiwo agcina angi-appoint ukuthi ngibe u-regional election kodwa futhi uma kungafanele angifuni ukuyi-impose to any position to the organization. Then comrade Ubaloyi ngicabanga ukuthi i-process yama-election bekunama-registration engicabanga ukuthi sihambile sasupporta le program engicabanga ukuthi njengoba sila sine-report epresentayo ukuthi sine-VDA 1 la kule ward. Kule VDA 1 abantu abazile baregister babe u-38 ma-walk-ins kwase kuba ne-number engena online okusho ukuthi i-total yaba 116 if not mistaken Fortune. Then from kule report safuna ukuverify before i-closing date yokusubmit ama-disputes esitholile-ke mhlawumbe ukuthi indeed lama walk-ins siyawazi ngoba phela bengena phambi kwethu, but laba abaqhamuka online awukwazi ukubathatha ubahlanganise nanoma yiliphi futhi organization. Abanye bakhona ngoba ilanga bese kuyi-Friday iviki libe linye kwaphoqeleka ukuthi kufanele sivume ukuthi azange sifake dispute ngale 90 something voters esicabanga ukuthi ke kodwa bebenelungelo vele lokuthi ba register online. Then emva ke comrade chairperson siye savumelana i-branch leza lahlala la adopta lokuthiwa it's a program of action. Then emva kwaloko ngiye ngalithumela le program of action ku-provincial election manager because ngazi ukuthi i-reporting format noma i-reporting protocol ithi mina kufuneka ngilayeze no provincial election manager. Ngenze njalo ke ngayithumela le program ebekade ne-date chairperson yange-15 ngeyi-15 siphinde sabuya la e-ward 14 sathola upholi bakhona la e-ward 14. Kunento ke enhle ehlukile ngicabanga ukuthi bekubalekile ukuthi siyiconsider nge-ward 14 bakwazi uku-identify abantu abadala abababizwa ngokuthi it's a council of elders. Njengabantu abadala ke namuhla niyabona bakhona bona kodwa baphelele ngenxa ukuthi abantu abadala baba nama-commitment kuyashona funa babe khona ey'feni abanye kufuneka baye emasontweni abaphelele kodwa bakhona la engicabanga ukuthi ke iCouncil of Elders bekuyiyo ebekade isebenzisana nale thimba la le Ward Election Committee kunale sub-regional election team eyakhethwa ukuthi Comrade uNjabulo akasekho la endlini ngoba yena uyazi ukuthi iyafonywa kanjani ngicabanga ukuthi uyazi futhi ukuthi sibe nama meeting amangakhi before kufonywa lupholi bale sub-region. So emva kwaloko ke che siye safika umhlangano okhona la ama members emphakathi ayekhona iprocess yabanwa yimi ngeke ngikubalekele lokho. Ngafike ngacela bonke abantu base Ward 14 aba-appeala ku voters roll sababeka kulela side elingapha esandleni sokunxele bonke ababengabavakashi sabacela ukuthi babe ngapha. Kwakunama candidate ayeproposiwe kwi branch general meeting ayo4 of which kwaku Comrade uMabuza njengoba beseshila ukuthi ucandidate ku Comrade uFortune Mnisi, ku Comrade uMama uZanele if I'm not mistaken, usibongile bese kuba ubaba uShongwe. Sithe masifika la kulomhlangano sase sesidiscover ukuthi mabeza la ngaphambili sacela ukuthi umphakathi ukhona yini omunye osele ngemuva ngoba phela iconstitution yeMK ithi candidate ikhethwa umphakathi waphakamisa igama likaMambusi engicabanga ukuthi ukhona naye la wabuya naye weza ngaphambili yangena ke process ekwanominatwa ngaye candidate ngenhlanhla ke uComrade uFortune ngalelo langa kwaba nguyovela njenge candidate owazi ukuthi abe nama numbers amaningi singamshayela izandla. Then sithandazeleke Comrade National Chairperson National Election Manager no Comrade Chairperson ukuthi sathandaza kakhulu nomfundisi esithandazisa la ukuthi ngokujwayelekile abantu mangabe bedliwela ama process babe sebayakwada. Sacela ke lama comrade ukuthi no ma comrade ningakwadi le process bekungasiye ama individual benge MK bekufuneka sibe ne candidate. Ngenhlanhla ngisababona bonke la okusho ukuthi akekho kwatilo ovumini owenzekelayo. Comrade Chairperson no Comrade National Election Manager ngemva kokhetha candidate balekile ukuthi bese siya nayo emphakathini siyozama ukuthi si-introduce in terms of ama door to door. Sikwenzile ke lokho mangaphuze sikule viki liphelile besikule section ekuthiwa ithemba labasha la sifike khona sifike nokho esifike sabuya nako la uma senza lokuthiwa i-debriefing sithola ukuthi i-candidate yethu ibukeka sengathi abantu bayemukela. Then Comrade Chairperson mhlambe nginabangani ke nami ngoba politically ngike ngasebenza nabantu abaningi. Ngihlejelwe ngomunye umngani wami ngeke ngimusho igama lakhe ngoelinye iqembu elibathi impahla ezibovu ukuthi bathe bangena kwenye indawo bathi hayi thina sifuna uComrade uFortune. So ke Comrade uChairperson mhlambe ngicabanga ukuthi nje sengigcina Comrade uNational Election Manager. Hayi man sixatshaniswa le ndaba zama social media. Iningi lezinto ezikhulunywa lapha ku social media ezinye zakhona bakhuluma abanye abantu ningakaba mandate njenge organization. Sesiyayibonela nje ukuthi abeyikhulumela lo obethi namhlanje uzokwenziwa enye into ehlukile okutriggerishe ulaka kulama comrade ayekhona enza wonke lo msebenzi esengubalile amandla.
Ukhona bebaphathi izandla lapha emuva.
Yami manje.
Njengo driver ngizocela ukuthi sibanike. Ngabe baphathi izandla lapha emuva baphefumula.
Sibonge sihlalo. Cabanga ukuthi angeke sasimosha kakhulu isikhathi because siyaendoza okushiwo ku-regional election manager ukuthi ukhuluma iqiniso ngoba konke la kubalekile okwesikwazi. It's a pity sihlalo ukuthi umama uChairperson umama wale province aphinda lo ubaba futhi kuyo akusehlanga kahle ukuthi u-regional election manager uma before ezoletha report enhle kangaka emhabazile bathe nje mangabe ukukhuluma lapho ukuthi u-election manager kuba uMhlathiyenda wathi uChairperson ayakusiye leyo iyenza imoya wethu loyo yenza umoya wethu njengabantu basemkhona uphinde usibonise futhi ukuthi labantu politically esibakhiphe landlini bamnika the wrong information uyayitnessa lento ngoba siyayi-understanda lento abathi ipolitiki asiyithathanga emkhontweni kodwa iqiniso sayithatha kubaba uZuma. So singaka nje sikhuluma ipolitiki yaZuma sasekwagogo namhlanje seza naye la ngoba sithanda le politiki yakhe. Ithi lento once you are saying akusiye lo uzoba nalento abathi unlucky usukume usho umunye umuntu wena uthi uyiposition eso sekumele thina njengama ground forces sikutshele ukuthi akusiye then sesiyadefya vesa big ground force and Chairperson. Kanti we are willing ukuthi uChairperson I understand i-collective decision yasemkhonto ethi siyamseka sathatha i-decision ethi siyamseka umama uMkhwebane anda ukuthi sihlangane thina sihlangane ngeimali kakhulu ngoba besikhipha ama-transport uma seyenza lento abathi unit ngiyayithinta nje sihlalo kancane le political izosiza ukuthi moving forward singabi nenkinga ngoba uthi uChairperson manje sizophuma siye ebantwini bese sibuya siyakhuluma asifuni ukuhamba la endleleni sibukana kabi engathi siyamsola mayengena lapha uyodi campaign uComrade ufuthi. So we are saying stuff asiphumeni sibe clear that program of door to door is owned by us as abantu basemkhonto subpage. So yithina futhi esizosibuka lesikhathi ukuthi hayi ngoba siba alayinanga phela abantu ukuthi ningaphuma endlini siyenze kodwa sizitshele thina njengama Comrade ukuthi siyaya ku-door to door. So mayingabi nalento ethi asiphumeni ngoba it seems like khona abantu esiba-alayinile abazoze bahambe. Sihlalo ngiyacela ukuthi umoya wethu siwubeke phansi with the support of uComrade uMama Mkhwebane. Siyabona siyazi aware political ukuthi bamislead le matter yalabo Comrade esibakhiphile. Sihlonipha isiphakamiso sishiwo National Election Manager. Ethi ngicela sikhulumeni election ngicabanga ukuthi usuyivulile u-regional election manager eyokuthi soyilethile report. So sesihlala straight ke manje ku-election we are requesting ukuthi siregisterwe uComrade candidate ngoba sibena lawo ma-problems ukuthi asikhoni ukuthi simregister kwa-IEC. There's a rumors noma there's a calls esiwarecivile athi kuvale uChairperson. So we are thanks uChairperson ukuthi ngoba ukhona namhlanje asidlulise kahle lapho ukuthi hayi no I don't have a problem to register your candidate Comrade then deadline ukuthi ngimregister ingelanga liso bese sekaya shifta kuleso space sesizwa National Election Manager ngoba ispace sakhe lesesithi ukuze sifike lapho ekutheni simregister noma la konakala khona ukuze angaregister. It's here and here and here and lesihlalo ngumuntu onomoya okwazi ukucontrol lento abathi enga-management ngiyakwazi ukuyenza ngiyakwazi ukuyicontrol but akuhlali kahle mangiku-platform then laba iy'khulumi lezi ihambeli zethu ey'balulekile i-National Election Manager and Provincial Chairperson kube ukuthi bayakhuluma ngibone ngathi bazongimisa somewhere mase bangimisile then bangimisa mase bangena ku-platform. We are saying Comrade uBalungi ukhulumile nami kaningi uyibuza izinto zasemkhonto. We are trying to create even a group la besifake khona ku-provincial election manager, safaka khona u-regional election manager, safaka khona u-sub-regional election manager, safaka the council of elders yase Ward 14, safaka interim ward structure, safaka interim sub-regional structure. Therefore, lezinto zonke siyibiza ngama interim because of we are waiting for SG with our appoint according to the constitution. So kuningi namhlanje singaxoxa political sithi ubani ubani akasiyo ini ubani akasiyo ini. Ayivela ke umuntu oyitho la thina siyazi eMpumalanga ukuthi umuntu oyi something it's Mama Mkhwebane owa appointwa also naye omunye siwaphephuka sabani. Then uComrade uLB political thina simrecognize lamalanga emeeting mayefika noComrade uSwameni sibarecognize njengabantu abakustructure esihamba noMama Mkhwebane because we don't want to get in kuma political battles as a province. so sathi bonke abazofika bezikithi uma ngabe kuphela nje bazofika bazi ukuthi thina eMkhondo simile comrade Baloyi ekutheni asithathi side lamuntu namhlanje la nje ngilethi promise ethi angeke sithathe side lamuntu kodwa sizophuma sazi ukuthi sino comrade uChepesile okungumama uMkhwebane lesicela ukuthi enze lokho okuzowinisa le ward since eMpumalanga singakaze sayiwini by-election lento including yourself comrade national election manager Baloyi to assist us ukuthi le process yaseMkhondo ube yipart and parcel until ekugcineni nisiregister ucandidate okhethwa ngabantu nizozwa masifika le ukuthi abantu bayamthanda lo baba amandla
comrade Mnisi ngicela uprotect umama Mkhwebane mhlawumpeni wonke umuntu uyakhuluma into angabe neshoya yabona ora ulimi liyashelela ngicela ukumprotect uChepesile wethu uze kithi ngokusiza ama-election hayi political uze nje ngama-election le politiki ngicela singamfaki kuyo okwamanje ake sikhulume nje ngama-election nje basoyichazile ngiyabonga comrade Mlomo
no asibonge sihlalo bengithi ngeke ngisasukuma bengithi ngizokhuluma somkhombile ngicabanga ukuthi asale ngizethula sihlalo sengiyakhuluma sihlalo igama uComrade uMlungu ngisuka la e-Ward 8 kwaGobisa uMlenge angisuka khona sibingelele ubuholi okungaphambili kwe-province okuholwa nguChepesile sibingelele uComrade Baloyi from the National High Command kufushane ngesihlalo sesikhulumile kakhulu okungizwisa ubuhlungu uChepesile uma kukhulunywa indaba kaComrade u-Regional Election Manager uthi akusuye yona yayenza nje ithoni yami Chepesile iphansi kusho ukuthi sifuna ukulungisa iyenzeka-ke esikalethini yena but okwamanje sizayimeneja lento manje akusuye nguye then kuyaclear-ke manje ukuthi we've got a problem from the province angeke ngikhulume kakhulu nge-national Comrade Chepesile khuluma nge-province ithi lento kuwo wonke amakhetho sike sangena phansi kwawo kuma-by-elections alikho nelodwa esike sayilwini ward it's because of this thing ukuthi ama-comrades mangabe i-ward ithatha a certain direction noma a certain resolution bawufika ubuholi bungaphezulu ufuna ukushintsha izinto bufuna uku-imposa their own candidates lela bakholelwa ukuthi bazolidonsa ngekhala mabathi left lithi left so umuntu orizinayo bamfuni isisho njalo lento yingakho sidliwa kangaka kulama elections esuka kuwo and ayikho neyodwa Chepesile uma uyilandela lento uanalyze ekuningi man uma lokhu angena lama by-elections le numbers zethu ziya ngokwehla each and every by-election numbers ziyehla it's because of this attitude esiyibonayo njengamanje Chepesile nosuku njengoba ubuholi beprovince Chepesile nowa deputy Chepesile okubuhlungu ke Chepesile lento azifuni lento enenza lapho Chepesile okusho ukuthi nayo out of order manje uqhawulana okusho ukuthi Chepesile into besiyilindele thina njengama grand forces engicabanga ukuthi eMpumalanga yonke ukuthi kuphume a forensic report esitshenayo ukuthi siluza kanjani wonke lama by-elections kunalokho ayiphumi ama-comrades province awayireport ukuthi inkinga ikuphi si-analyze silungise leyo nkinga kunalokho bafuna ukuzosi-impozela manje la into abayenzayo Chepesile sithi masibe governing bay ngathi kunokuba kuphume le forensic report uzobona ama-appointments into abayaziyo yileyo u-SG wathi asimeni ngama-appointments asiyeke i-structure njengoba zinjalo asifuni ukungena political because uChepesile makafuna ukuthi singena apha sizongena because i-communique from the secretary general yathi asimeni nge-structure but uChepesile wenze otherwise siyathula kasilapho but mase sikhuluma ngepolitiki sizongena lapho le nepotism abafuna ukuyenza lapha e-region angeke siyivume ukuthi bafuna ukukhipha i-candidate elawini ama-interviews because ababona ngathi ukuthi ngeke bakwazi ukulidonsa ngekhala ingakho bangalifuni la emkhondo Chairperson sino comrade esimkhiphile la ngeke ngibize igama lakhe because akasekho wenza the very same thing abayifunayo mabetha nga-register candidate lethu wenza the very same thing abayishoyo because this candidate fanele ngabe serejistiwe manje libanjwe ukuthi i-order esuka phezulu ithi bangamregister because angeke bakwazi ukumlawula. That's the problem is now. So asifuni sihlale size iphume lento ama-emotions azama ukuthi siwabantu because we've been working very hard. From i-project ye-unit, uComrade Mkhondo has been supporting her. Namanje some-support. But ngeke sivume ukumislidwa. Ngeke sivume comrade. Namanje sim-recognize as the chairperson of the province. But once was misleader, ngeke sivume comrade. So lo hambo chairperson esesihambile ukuze sifike la. Akusingumdlalo. Liyadraina emotionally, liyadraina physically, liyadraina nangeyimali. Sebenzisa imali ngoba sila. Last lana sihambe ebusuku na Chairperson sibuya kuDethuzo ebusuku we had to amanye ama-comrades sihambe siwathuthezela siwabeke emakhaya because sekusebusuku asinawo ama-funds asinalutho but at the end of the day kufika umuntu abelele embhedeni wakhe esofeni azotshela siqale nama-processes zawo Chairperson asebafuna ukwabuza manje ukuthi kwenzakalani. They were there maqala lama processes ama-dates aphuma bebewazi why bengezanga la ukuzowitness ukuthi kwenzakalani why bafuna ukuzobuza thina why bengezanga la bona because usuka la basuka khona bazofika la it's maybe 2-hour drive ukube benganawo ama-resources beso-fundraise singama-comrades sibagibeze beze bazowitnessa la just because bebafuna le candidate abalifunayo bangeza bakade ukuthi makufika lolu suku lolu bazofuna ukuthi impose abantu ababafunayo kafushane ngesihlalo ngomgqibelo we-registration leya weekend of register lama-comrades ase-Ward 14 I was driving from Uphongo la ngafike ngadlula lapha stations. They were united. They were very united in combat. But ngakusasa on a Sunday uma sifika lapha ya ama-comrades are divided. Amanye ama-comrades mangifika on Saturday we discussing i-program yangesonto ezoba la esontweni. Masifika on Sunday awasayazi le program lama-comrades. Kufika one of them ebusuku on Saturday wadonsa ucomrade wathi naphuma kulento. Thina njengobuholi sizokubeka kube ikhansela. Wavuka kusasa ucomrade asayibona ikhansela because uthelwe ngeqolo i-leadership ye-province which is incorrect. La awukhethwa ngokuthi wazana nobani ukhethwa ngabantu because ekugcineni kosuku yibo afanele bayovota lapha. So it's a pity singakhuluma kushona ilanga mina from what age angeke ngiyisize le process mase kuvota but we have to correct le mistake ifuna ukwenzeka la ku-MK. I-MK siyayithanda sisuka kude ke nomzabalazo umzabalazo inheritance umzabalazo thina siwufunde egroundini sihamba Chairperson sihamba umzabalazo siwufunde sihamba thina akukase futhi sancenga umzabalazo njengoba namanje singadingeka incengo singadingeka ikhundla singadingeka ikhundla sifuna i-MK iqonde
yebo sanibona ubaba Maseko mphambweni ngiyelo kombe ngiyelo nababshona ngazilapha ngikhanda wena ngiphinde ngibingelele ubuholi ngaphambili mamkhwebani besithanda kakhulu kodwa ke size saqabanga thina singumkhondo ukuze sibone mase sikhanda le unity la mkhondo saze sakhipha sala ukuthi bakufake kule group ngoba sasibona le inkingo zanazo yabo njengamanje bese sinayo lento ukuthi asidingi beprovince sisebenzele thina ukuze siwinele ward ngoba ngiyasiphazamisa ngiyasiphazamisa kakhulu le nto siyenzayo uyabona amanamba sesawena ngawo la mkhondo saluza 2 ward funa khona siwaluza manje ngoba nenkinga ekhona kodwa njengamanje asinidingi kahle abantu siphazamisa sicela nje usenzele into eyodwa useregister ukhansela lo so ukhansela ngoba nizosiphazamisa useyisebenza lento useyazi ufuna ushintsho nina musana ukubalekisela abantu bawela umkhondo ushintsho ngoba lento lena isho ukuthi sesicindezela abantu balamkhondo nabantu balamkhondo namanje bayazi ngalomvuko ukuthi uzobalethelana musane ukusiphazamisa sicela nto sizokuthetela wena baba uqhamule ku-national sizokuthetela ngoba wena awazi ukuthi lapho thina siyasesibonile kudala kudilwana kuyadlalwa kuyadilwana kusasa nami ngavuka kusasa nginokuthile ngibatshele ngibashintshele ngoba sengisondele epholini ngawathi ngancika bathwale kwapha ngivuka nami kusasa kuphuma appointment letter uyamazi uyazi nawe ibonela phela ibonela hayi into
Sofaka umthimkhulu masinyane ngenxa yesikhathi. Sofaka umthimkhulu sifaka comrade uSaphoyi, sifaka uMamayela. Sifaka comrade sifaka wena uMamayela ofisa njalo. Cela uthi nje kapha masinyane baba ungene comrade Thandeka. Masinyane ngenxa yesikhathi ngoba kunokunikeza nabayibheka bomasinyane.
Awubami ama-comrades wakhulumile. Comrade nesicelo nje isisodwa ukuthi singalingisi ngale kagogo. Uma ngabe solingisa ngale kwagogo sizoba nenkinga. Inkinga yethu sizohamba sambe sigileke. Akufanelanga sikwenze lokho. Engakusho mina sino candidate nithi mina okwamanje chairperson weprovince ukunikeza 80% ukuthi siyangena endlini ikhamera siyabona. Yebo. Angikhulumi nje just ngikhuluma njengo-former secretary we-ANC kulo le branch. So ngithi-ke manje ngicela ukuthi-ke comrade lokho okunye kwepolitiki sizokubona nomuntu omdala ubaba uMsholozi uhlale naye asho ukuthi lokho kwepolitiki sizokubona. Ngicela ukuthi okwamanje ake sidile ngale process yama-election comrade. Le ndaba yokuthi-ke fune sifuna ikhundla kakhulu nabanye lokho sicabana angeke isize ingakho sigcina sesiluza. Ngiyabonga.
Amen. Comrade, Mama Mkhwebane, ngizophekisa kuwe kakhulu ngoba unomama wethu lapho eMpumalanga. Mama, asinamawata u-19 eMkhondo. Masinamawata u-19 eMkhondo, mina ngihlale Ward 14 kusekhaya la. Ngifike 1998 amenye imizi kakafiki. Comrade Mkhwebane, sicela ukuthi mangabe khona ufuna ukugwazi ngeWard 14, ukubuze kubantu base-Ward 14. Because ama-comrades lawa okhuluma nawo mhlawumbe lawa aceni kwakho yiwo administrator amaMkhwebane akutshela into engekho na yiwo futhi afike akhanda i-division nge-voters day ye-registration mangabe silapha ku-register the very same comrade abahamba ebusuku bahlala comrade omunye baphuza naye bamthembisa singakafiki kuma-processes bese sase-voters registration ngena comrade Manana madla wethu sanibonani babo ngibekele kupholo ngaphambili igama lami ngisanibona ngokaManana Ward 16 ngibuhlungwana manyazi ngibuhlungwana ngizama ukuthi isimoya kodwa ngezwa bengithi ngisakhuluma kunento eyenzakalayo ngiyacela baholi lapho phambili kungathi ama speakers angapha awathathiki serious. Ngiyacela ukuthi simane sithi kuyihoxisa kancane ukube bengesimncane ngokweposition bengathi ngicela ukuthi nobabili lapho nje bese nithi ukukhelelana so right ezokhona ukulawuleka le kodwa ke angikho na baholi kuncane ngifisa ukuveza ngifisa ukuthi sivumelane ngento eyodwa la ngaphakathi endlini lokho okukwata nentukuthele sinawo njengomkhondo vele siyabila lokho kufuna nihlale nikwazi nithi noma nihamba nazi ukuthi siyalidinga ilanga lokuthi nibuye sizoyikhuluma le vele siyabila. So okwamanje besicela mhlambe ukuthi masenzonikwa i-chance ukuthi niphendule usinike into straight comrade chairperson ngoba sezizule ngathi ilele ngakuthi indaba ye-candidate register nini. 2 ngiyacela baholi abaphezulu from national ne-province comrade ngicela si-understande into eyodwa i-membership yomkhondo is 20 rand kimi nawe iyalingana. So ngiyacela ukuthi sithathe iMK siyise ebantwini MK lesifunayo kube ile ezwa abantu njengoba namanje sithi MK ayizwa abahlali base-Ward 14. Ngiyabonga. Sibonga comrade lapho sifaka comrade Thandeka uphathe ufana le Singena comment.
Amanda. Amanda. Viva MK Viva. Viva MK Viva. Phambili ngofortune phambili. Phambili ngofortune phambili. Sanibonani, ngicela ukubingelela bonke ubuholi obuhleli la ngaphambili. Ngiyathemba ukuthi igama lami nguVeliphi wakandlela ngiqhamuka eWardwana. Into engizoyicela baphathi njengoba nihleli lapha ikakhulu nje kubabu national babaloi sibanenkinga kakhulu lokho kumele sikuveze umama uchairperson wethu dala abekwa la eMpumalanga but njengoba silwela le ward le ukuthi sifuna ukuthi silwile 114 besicela ukuthi upholi akusimele lapha uzwe ngathi thina ama ground forces ukuthi thina sithini sizolithatha le ward ngathi thina ama ground forces sine problem enkulu yokuthi upholi afuni ukusirecognize singama ground forces masingatshela ukuthi sinama problem awungakhi la bese kuthi laba abalapho phezulu ababekiwe abaqhamuka ababekwa satshela ukuthi lo uyabekwa lo uyabekwa abaletha ama program bekela ngeprogram ukuthi abasitshele sisizwa ngabosomabhizinisi ngisho kodwa 20 rand ngiqhamuka eSolomon Keys sibe neprogram yasecourt yokuhlukunyezwa kwabantu besimame siripote kumama siripote kubani kuba uJabulu sithi sicela usihambisele siyakhala nganawo angeke size sinakho ngalutho siyacela ke manje ukuthi njengoba nilapha etafuleni zwanini thina ukuthi manje sishoda ngamabhayi sishoda ngekipa sishoda ngokuthi sidle singenela ama-election yilezi zinto engasiza ngazo ukuthi siqhubeke ngalama election ana okunye okuzophuma ke cha siyabonga siyacela ukuthi nisisize kuloko sawawina ama-election la azange size swaluze singasizwanga nix sawini kungani namhlanje kuzomele kuthiwe kufuna kuzi-national sizokhona ukuthi thina noma ngathiwa sengena into tudoma singenile siyanikhapha njengomholi siyanikhombisa ukuthi lento esizoyenza sizoyikhona siyakucela amen
Lento siyenzayo hazinalo, lento siyenzayo hazinalo fano, hazinalo
Sanibonani. Amandla. Amandla. Igama ngithanda wangavulakazi. Ngisuka lapha eWardwana eDriffontein. Comrade uMabhiliyoni yaxolisa nje kodwa fanele ngikuveze lokho. La sise meeting neMK. Kule meeting yeMK kunama elections azayo. Akungasimisi endaba yesikhathi. Singahlala kushona la. Sinangile. Yeah. Sizele ubaba uFortune ukuthi kahle kahle agcine kuphi eregister. So esikushoyo la kubalekile ukuthi ufike la fanele ufike khona. Bese ngibuya ngapha ku comrade chairperson mama Mkhwebane. Ema meeting umuntu uyayimbona ngebody language yakhe ukuthi uya. So mama mangabe kukhona umuntu okhulumayo bese uthi akhadelela. Mase kukhona okhulumayo uhlebelo seceleni kusho uyabheda ukukhuluma so fanele silalelaneni sonke emakhaya singokuthile kodwa masila sibantwana bamsholozi sisonke asilalelaneni enye into njengoba sila sizolungisa uzela thina sinokuthi thiwa wena uzoqala phansi uhlelo silenzile ngiyaphinda futhi sekuza ukuthini thiwe uzokwenza i-door to door uyabona yini ukuthi i-communication line yakho iyabheda because uthuthukana uyini
ngabe problem aphansi
bona uyi-communication ubona lokho singakwazi so uthuthukana utshele abantu basemkhondo
hayi MK kuphela basemkhonto ku-Facebook wathi wena uzokhetha i-candidate yethu ye-MK, which is not true. Mangabe ngithi ngiyalandelela ukuthi wena i-door to door. So siyacela ngoba sila sinemqondo emibili, abanye balindele ukuthi door to door, abanye balindele ukuthi sizokhetha i-candidate. So impendulo zakho ma sacela ukuthi uyi-align kahle. Okunye ungezwa ngabanye abantu size 114, lalela abantu base 114, inkinga zase 114 zaziwa yi-114. So nje izinto zepolitiki singahlala la akunankinga ngisho mntana ngakubalozi angazabiza ngisho umkhulu somlinda sixoxe umkhonto asifuni ngawo wethu wethu umkhonto nawe ubaba wasinika wena. At the end of the day now mawudinga ukuthi protect as a protect. So nawe sicela ukuthi usenzele ubulungiswa ke mlama election mawuphendule kahle ma ungaphenduli ngokuthi wazini ubani utheni. Awumazi uFortune, awukazi uhlale nayo uFortune, awukazi uhlala nabantu base 114, awukwazi ukuthi ke sithi door to door namhlanje asiplaneni kahle kuzwe kahle kuyiprogram e-right. Qala uthola inkinga ezikhona e14 bese kuyasilungisela inkinga bese uza ngaleyo mandate leyo ye-program thize. Okanamhlanje sicela nje ukwazi ukuthi i-candidate lethu register nini phela.
Siyabonga kakhulu Thandeka. Ngicela Makeba ushoda uMambusi we-Elders Forum. Nikangene uMambusi we-Elders Forum. Ngicabanga ukuthi uthunywe yi-Elders Forum ukuthi ufuna ukuthini. I-meeting ngeyani?
Setshenzelwa. Akungenwa mahala. Akungenwa ngethenda. Amandla. Phambili bomama phambili. Phambili mayanga phambili. Phambili bomama phambili. Amandla. Ngibingelele ubuholi obuzivakashele bonke ngokwezihlalo zabo no-chairperson wethu omkhulu nani nonke ma-comrades. Siyabonga mama ukuthi ukhona. Besibuzwa ngendaba ukuthi khona umama Mkhwebane. Ayi mina ngifuna ukuqamba amanga inhliziyo zethu bezibhlungu. Thina mama la i-Ward 14 asika ngiyakutshela nje ukuthi ikhansela kahle besinganalo. Nabantu bebebuza bethi ngoba sinivotele kanti yini kungabonakali njeke noma kweofisanyana. So ke mama ukukhona kwakho awazi sijabule kanjani ukuthi uzozwa le inkinga zethu ngoba ngokomthetho kufanele ngabe la eMkhondo i4 yabantu le legislature because ngendlela esivote ngayo sivote kakhulu kodwa asizwa noyedwa ukuthi ukhona sizwa ukuthi ukhona so uphumile ubuyile so ukhona so ubuyile lento lena ayisiphathi kahle asazi kwenziwani lapha sibone ngene umama bese sijabula ukuthi umama ungenile i-Ward 14 ke mama Mkhwebane yahlupheka angifuni nje ukungasho since yabakhona intsha yethu makutholakala ama-stipend ayingene yase-Ward 14 intsha yethu makuvela izinto emaphoyiseni ayingeni yase-14 intsha yethu yase-14 makuvela izinto kamasipala ze-stipend ukuthi amanye afunde bathole leyo mali abangeni bona kuvele izinto ka-agriculture uzwa ngabantu wendlula ngendlela kuthiwa kunezinto ezivelile kutholakala iy'madlanyana abangeni sebaze bajwayela ukuthi vele thina siyilahlo manje mase sifika ku-MK iphinde yenza the very same thing siyamangala sengena umama yalazi usizi lwethu naye futhi umama wenza njengabo baba siyamangala ukuthi why ngoba ukube nisifanele abantu bethu abawu4 savota la Mkhondo kakhulu abangene mama siyabeka lokuhamba yokhuluma nekhansela yakho ukuthi sithi abantu baseMkhondo abahamba bawu4 bayongena bazothatha le inkinga zethu ingane zethu okay yazikhashwa
zithi mase ikhashiwe khona la Mkhondo ziqoshwe mama. Bebekhona abantwana bakhashiwe kwesinye seyigole ngeke ngisisho. Baqoshiwe babanjwa ngama-washing kwathiwa ngibuye 14 bajijelwa ngaphandle. Akekho ozohamba yosikhulumela ukuthi simtshele ukuthi la sesinenkinga. Umuntu wase-14 kunesabotage abafakiwe phezulu. I mean abantu baseMkhondo asilweni 14 yodwa thina sawina nge-2/3 majority. Kufanele sikhale umthetho. Kufanele sibekwe phezulu. Abuye athathe inkinga zethu noma ngabe lesebabili. Yiloko nje mama esikushoyo. Mangabe iqala iyama-buying election aqale sangabi nako kwaba isibhududu kwathiwa nje manje sekuyalokhuza sekuyaregister uzubone manje nje sekuyaregister angiboni ukuthi ku-MK khona bebangayazi leyo nto kuthi nje sitshelwe kunesikhathi kuthiwe nje manje ubhududu nawugqoka isikipha sowugijima ugqoke iroko sowugijima uthi ngiyozwa ngoba phela kufanele badle abantu sabe sikhampeyina ngalelo langa kwathi kuvotiswa lapha sabe singena i-door to door ngoba la thina akekho umuntu osinakile silahliwe indlala abantwana bakwethu mama indlala mama abantu besebenza ngayo beyinikela nemoto imoto ye-EFF yandlula ye-ANC yandlula benza namabheshi badla inyama sifile indlala siyandlula siyabonakala ukuthi siyinhlupheni abantu abangenakhaya kahle kahle ngathi seyile independence le engenayo ipresident kanti thina sinayo. Ningamangali izinto ezisuka enhlizweni lezi imoto ayikho okusizayo akukho ama-comrades aphuma ney'moto zawo sihambe sikhampeyine senze yonke into siyitholile kuy'nkinga zabantu lapha mina ngangiphethe nephepha elinjengaleli ngibhala sabhala ubuye uthi kodwa sizobasiza ngani ngoba sowukwenza nje siqambele nabogogamanga sithi zabalethela ama-food parcel until now awekho lawo ma-food parcel bathi ninabusi nasikhaphaza nini siyabatshela ukuthi inkosi yami bathi ikipa namabhayi siyabatshela sithi nkosami sibekezeleleni nivotele le councillor sesizoba nomuntu esizomthuma sicela i-office eMkhondo la kuzohlanganela khona wonke amawadi sikhulume iy'ndaba zethu amandla.
Siyabonga Mambusi ukhulume kahle phela. Mama Yende awuyena mama. Ngena mama Yende. Ukuthi siyabila la. Siyabila.
Athi kweza Mkhondo kweza. Uyithola kanjani? Thatha uMeslik thatha. Ayeye fashion ayeye. Ngicela ukubingelela ubuholi lapha ngaphambili. Especially ngibingelela umama wethu singayela. Mama uMkhwebane wazi kahle ukuthi siyakuthanda. Lokuthi siyakuthanda uyazi ukuthi asikuthengi ukuthi siyakuthanda. Siyacela ngingomunye wama-comrades abeseduze kwenhliziyo yakho. Umama ngempela ngeqiniso la uhleli khona. Funa ngabe uyayibuza ukuthi uma befika abanye baseMkhondo ungababoni abanye bethu kwenzakalani eMkhondo. Kuningi sikhalile mama sifika nje kuma election ngaba kubi nje ukube mhlambe uwarile before wayibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani. I-division sibangelwa umuntu omnikeza umshini. Uma ungalungisa indaba yomshini osinikeze wona la eMkhondo ukhiye uzovula kahle mama. Ayikho inkinga eMkhondo. Akekho futhi umuntu ongakufuna eMkhondo. Bakwamukela ama-Grand Force bekunzima ukwakha i-unit lesinayo eMkhondo engabe siyangayo kuma-election ase-14. Even i-leadership lephambili ayizange ibelieve umi Ward 14 isho ukuthi siyalifuna lokhetho nethi lufike kabi selifika ngokuthi ukhansela kasekho. Mama sibhlungu ngaphakathi enhlizweni zethu ngendlela izinto ezenzeke ngayo. Uba Nkosi mina ngihamba naye in and out. Akukho la ebeba khona ngingabibikho khona. But ngibe buhlungu Chairperson uma efonelwa day 1 ngangikhona endlini. Bamnkosi sicela sambeni siyene Ward 14 from day 1. Ukuba uBamnkosi weza day 1 ngaba sikho la sikhona namhlanje. Amen. Ngiyamthanda naye uBamnkosi ayikho inkinga esinayo ngicela ukusho lapho phezulu ku-national until bona mama baze benze izinto ezi-wrong ekhombisa ukuthi abahambisani no-Comrade Fortune. Asikwazi ukuba thina kube yithi esithi uComrade Fortune asimfuni, kodwa abantu babe bethi uComrade Fortune bayamfuna. And usiphethe ngeqiniso, akwazi ukuthi kube uwe oza ne-division, ngoba labantu abanikeza isikhi yibo abafaka i-division la. Mhlawumbe lama-comrades kungabukeka ukuthi makukhuluma uComrade Thandela ukhuluma ngoba mhlawumbe akamuzwisisi uComrade ubanibani. Mina lama-comrades okukhulunywa ngawo mamkhwebane uyazi bengihamba nawo ubusuku nemini. La usibiza khona besisabela sonke, bathi uwodwa umbuzo engicela uyibuze wona ukuthi kwenzakalani eMkhono. Kuthi uhleli le kuphezulu ku-province uyibuza ukuthi usahamba nengane eziphelele yini noma sesisele endleleni. Ngiyabonga.
Sibonga comrade. Sifanele nabo uthuba baphendule. Sizomele sibanike nabo ithuba baphendule comrade. Ngicabanga ukuthi comrade Baloyi, cha usondele phela. Uyabona? Yeah, because nawe umuntu uyakhona. Wathi uphendule isophendule.
Amandla. Awethu. Gwaza Mkhonto gwaza. Jikijela Mkhonto jikijela. Forward nge-unit eMkhondo forward. Forward nge-unit eMpumalanga forward. Forward nge-unit eWard 14 forward. Ngicela ukunibingelela ma-comrade ngoba singathola ithuba ukuthi nibingelele. Simane nje sesigaxeleka kabuhlungu kabi. But kubalekile kuyazwakala ngoba kuthiwa ingane engakhali iyofela embelekweni. So siyeza ukushisa okuthukuthela kweinhliziyo zenu. Sibonga nethuba ukuthi sizobonisana nani sixoxisane nani. Ngoba often i-confusion kuyi-space between thina nathi. Maya magnetic space ke yenze kokunye ukuthi ezinye izinkulumo zingafiki kahle, ningazizwa kahle ukuthi iphuma kuphi. Ongathi uyishile yamfanele, ongathi akayishonga imfanele kunganabufakazi. So sizobonga kakhulu, ngibonge ne-role lama-Council of Elders. Bese sizwile olukhulu iqhaza senilidlalile ngokulekelela, ngokuguide. Ngiyawubona umsebenzi wenu ukuthi muhle kakhulu. Ngoba without i-guidance abantu abadala asebamkantshabovu. Kunye kuyochitheka. Kanti sizonke siyawuthanda uMkhonto, sizimisele ngomkhonto, sifuna the same thing ukuthi asikabi ndawonye sizokhuluma. Ngibonge your honesty as well ngoba kuyashiwo ukuthi straight talk doesn't break any relationship. So kubalulekile lokho ke. So i-process lena it's twofold ukuthi silalele sizwe nathi sokwazi ukuhambela sihambe nemibiko sekupresent ukuthi ayisibazwile abantu bakho nqamalala bathi thina sathi satholana ngokuthi siya kanje phambili. So ngicela ukubulisa ngappreciate i-province ekhona nathi kwi-region leadership ekhona kwi-sub-region kwi-zone till kwi-ward namanye ama-ward akhona lana. For my own understanding bengicela ukubona nje izandla ezabantu abase-ward 14 abase-ward 14 abantu base-ward 14. Okay. Ona ngapha. Okay, no siyabonga at least siyabona i-presence yakhona ngithi asikanazi. Phela mina abantu bami kwamanje base-14 mangikhuluma ngabantu bami. Mangikhuluma ngabantu bami ngikhuluma ngabantu abaku-by election. So abami ilaba aqondene ne-by election. Hayi abanye ngaba-adopt nabo kodwa akuyona inkinga. Kodwa abami ngiqondane nabo e-by election. So sine-by election la e-ward 14. Iyaqala i-process. In fact before i-process iqala kusane-council kusaney'nkinga lana khona abo baba abahlonishwa bayangithinta bathi sizoba nento ukuthi senza kanjani. Asheshe sisondele, asheshe senze lokho, asheshe senze lokho. Sayicacisa indaba ukuthi kuze kube ne-vacancy kumele kwenzeke lokho. Mase ikhona i-vacancy sikwazi ukumove fast. Silekelele. But abadala bashe bewona ukuthi sheshani nifike bo ngoba nayi inkinga ekhona lana eMkhondo. Uma ningasheshe nifike nizokwazi ukusinaka ukuthi nisilekelele nivule indlela yethu ukuthi nizokwazi ukungena ekhethweni, ukhetho lihambe kahle without ama-issues lawa akhona. Nathi ke lapho ke at least from my side sithathe isikhathi ngiyabona ukuthi ukungasheshe kufike kwenze iphutha kayenze kanye ne-confusion ekhona namhlanje ezoyicacisa siqondise namuhla. So ngizokhuluma kabanzi ngento ezifew engizochaza which speaks on i-position kaMhlonisha laphayana yama-election regional election manager. Ngizoyiqondisa nje ngichaze kahle nginabise sizwe sonke le ngoba leyo is part of my responsibility leyo. The second part engizoyilungisa i-candidate selection process. The third part engizoyilungisa ukuthi masingena kwi-election what happens to ama-structures sebenza kanjani. The last part engizoyilungisa yile engifuna ukuyizwa kodwa ngizogcina ngayo. Ukuthi lo baba lona ongathi uBrian Mkhelele. No ngiyabona ukuthi uFortune kodwa ngumfanisa no Midnight Express. But angikho lapho. Indaba yakhe yokugcina ke leyo. Uzolinda ke silungise lokho ngiyichaze kahle ngoba kubalekile ukuthi ngichaze izo resolve i-confusion leyo. So ngicela ke ukuqala ngayo ke i-process yama election managers across the country ukuthi ime kanjani ngoba that is my direct responsibility ke lapho. Sibhalele inhlangano i-policy ebizwa ngokuthi election policy. The-election policy establishes the election machinery of the organization. We policy level, which is accountable, by structure sinjani, with what powers and where do we report. So Leo policy Leo establishes the National Election Secretariat, which is led by myself. In our members from our provinces who are provincial election managers. I mean, Laba reporter into a provincial detachment in province. They are not above the provincial detachment, they report into the provincial detachment. No leadership, you shall be leadership, whether there's election or no election. And someone must hold accountable the process of my election. Then from province to region. A region has seen regional election coordinators, in fact managers, but these are my regional election coordinators who lead the regional election secretariat. So the appointment process from province, national, that appointment process is done only by a national official and the national high command. So anything engaga appointed formally is interim across the country until there's a process where there's a formal resolution which Mpumalanga has submitted. Abantu naba per region, this is the process they followed. I-report yabo ilindile ayeka formalizwa ngoba kuyo formalize a policy kuqala, we convene a meeting to establish and then we finalize the appointments. So anything else across the country has no permanence. It's interim. You become only formally appointed once the National High Command and officials have formally resolved. Lokho akwenzeki. Udelay the process, there are national officials across the country to try and establish the issue of leadership and formalize and create stability in leadership. So into essence of what is so anything manje my election below the national elections head of the organization is interim. So things has a process you'll elect a candidate, which is the second point. Normally city akube ne notice emphakathini ukuthi sizokhetha a candidate. Masizokhetha a candidate next week Saturday, asiqale kule viki leli building up to next week Saturday. Sambeni wonke ama-VD, simemezele, sifaka ama-notice, inform people in the voters roll ukuthi sizokhetha. So that's the first part. There must be public participation, information, and a period abantu west we make them aware ukuthi sizokhetha ngosuku oluwukuthi. Abantu bazokwazi ukufika ngosuku oluwukuthi. It is rare where we win ukuthi abantu bazokhetha candidate babe less than 10% of the voters roll. It is rare. Because the process to elect a candidate is mobilizing, is election, is campaigning in itself. Ngoba we rely on abantu who are not just our members, but our member womphakathi kuphela ukuthi azoparticipate kwi-process yomkhondo ukuthi sizi-elect. Leyo process by itself has showed us ama-challenges are serious the process leyo. Leyo ukuthi wozani mphakathi nonke, wozani nizokhetha. Part of the experience we have seen directly is the following. I-ANC ithumela abantu babo abahlale ehodini. Angithi thina ke sithi criteria prove that, we must confirm that you are a member of the ward. You vote in this VD. Uyafika ke ufika ne-ID yakho we confirm you. Lapho we don't know whether you are indeed a member of the organization or you are not a member of the organization. So what is often happening? I-ANC iyathatha abantu babo. Iba forward laphayana sebe na high attendance. Abantu bazokhetha i-candidate elifuna u-ANC. Then we've got an outcome. This is a process. We did call a public meeting. We waited the number of prescribed days. Abantu bafikile. We checked that in the voters' roll. Nangu umuntu okhethe majority. Majority ANC, not majority umkhondo. Ngikutshela nge-process ukuthi le process leti siyi-establishile isibonisa the following weaknesses and challenges. Ukuthi siyaphuma sithi is a credible candidate kodwa kulona i-candidate lomkhondo leli man. I-candidate le-opposition. Ngoba ama-process wethu are so easy to infiltrate. Angenile basikhethula umuntu wabo ebamfunayo bona. Sesike sabona imhlolo ngama-candidates wethu. Peak time candidate mele izokhambeni ebantwini leNyamalala. Awusesithola izidakwele laphayana libuya kaJava Zumnike. Ube Java usuku bonke kumnandi. Umphakathi uyamazi ukuthi lo muntu uyinkinga, lo muntu asimufuni kodwa u-image kuma-process womkhonto wesizwe. So manje masesithola umbiko ukuthi senihambe phambili nenza nakhetha sithola report. Ngithi ku-comrade chair sizoba nenkinga laphayana because we've got a practice, established practice to elect a candidate. Le practice that inenkinga futhi. If we are going to deviate, we must be there with the ward, with the branch, with the election leadership. Sibonisane sivumelane. Ngithi kufuthi ukuthi start nesikhathi mina kakhulu ukuthi ngisheshe ngifike lapha ngoba my commitments across the country ngijima all over. Ngabe saseshe safika sayinabisa lento le. Ngabe kunye sokuresolve before. So I'm telling Chair, Chair, no, issue lapana, we might have to reconsider. So let us reconsider candidate. I pumu chair. Nangu muntu kumele numjezisa for law. So sibele siyabonisa naye ucomrade nomkhiphile ukuthi this is going to be a problem. The best way to resolve the inkinga esikuyo. Mele siye kuma comrade wethu. Sibonisane sizama views wabo because okunye bayasitshela ukuthi there's council of elders who participated, played a great role. There's different stakeholders we must speak to as well. But because we know the candidate process here too has also been flawed, we are not against the process. What do you think will work better for you? But that's vumelane. That's vumelane. So we would have liked to take a different approach, but manje silana sisonke. So uche utigimi, we've got three options. First option, we say to the comrades, one, we must restart the process. Man. Tell me, we're not restarting. Man, comrades, I am sharing a conversation between two people. Then the second option, Sialapana, we accept one, we should have been on time much earlier. And as we should have been there, then we accept with comrades, I started the candidate later on Ketila because we also know the process here to even our challenges, they are manipulated about Bangapand. So a candidate lady Enil Ketile, Siohamba now. So, no, after you what I'm still sharing a conversation. So I am sharing an intimate conversation. Ngisakhuluma ngisayinabisa ukuthi si consider ini sabona ini bese sa start isinqumo ukuthi sokwenzani. Hambani nami. Amanda. Awethu. Ngiyabona so yayijuluka lapho yashisela. So manje ke bese then last option uche uthi then or alternatively we might consider not contesting. Savumelana ukuthi that's not an option leyo, ngeke siyenze leyo. So ngokubonisana kwami no chair and engaging a few comrades here, Council of Elders, abafundisi, no comrade laphana, we felt ukuthi let's rather engage the comrades here lapho and go and meet our candidate. We're very clear what we've got a candidate, and that's our candidate. Maybe ukuthi asiyibeka but ngizoyibeka ibe clear, and then do door to door to satisfy ourselves ukuthi ngempela abantu bayamazi ukhandi basingene naye bamrecognize naye bayasho ukuthi hayi umuntu wethu. So thina ke isinqumo esisithathile and also in engaging ama comrades and ukuthi le process eniqalile siqhubeka ngale process sino candidate. Sino candidate nomkhethile. We also recognize ukuthi maybe in ngendlela acting ngayo you might have acted in the best interest of the organization because you know the local issues. And njengoba sengichazile ukuthi abantu bayangaphandle bakwazi ukuzomanipulate le process le. So sithe asimukele esekwenzekile, and perhaps it's the best approach ukuthi in future when we elect our candidates we must not immediately call for a general meeting of all citizens of a ward ngoba solimali. So uyasibonisa ukuthi manje iselection yethu kumele siyenze ngendlela ehlukile. Istructure sethu must be at the center of this process. So this decision it affects the second part, which is the registration of a candidate. Ngoma sekunesinqumo sonke esivumelana nga anginibuzanga kodwa ngiyabona ukuthi nivumelana nami no chair ukuthi yebo sine candidate anginibuzanga kodwa ngiyabona siyavumelana ngiyanizwa ukuthi siyavumelana senza njalo. So manje the next stage ukuthi iyo electwa kanjani. It is true ukuthi i process to register a candidate ifuna a stamp of approval from the provincial chair. It is true. Ngoba manje sesivumelene and you know member ele represent organization ku provincial PLC, that's what gives imvumo, and she was deployed by the National High Command on those structures to serve on our behalf and look after the interests of Umkhonto wesizwe. So manje ke seyilula process kusasa kumele ku register a candidate. So manje man wait. So manje over and above the process esiniyenzile kusele an official process emele yenziwe yimi ubukhandida kamela ngicela imnikeze nemali. The process ibaluleke kakhulu le process. Besicela sonke sithuleke. Ngicela sithuleni sonke. Hayibo. Kanti ayipheli le. All right. Ngicela sithuleni ke. Ngicela sithuleke. The process lena iyo finalizer and confirms ukuthi we've gone through a process esiqedile. So I process leyo njengomfundi akekho umunye umuntu okwazi ukushadisa abantu apart from umfundisi. So mawuzoshadisa umuntu kudingeka ukuthi ube nomfundisi phakathi. So le candidate process lena iyadingeka ukuthi ubaloyi abe ngaphakathi ekugcineni. Akekho ngisho nomfundisi angeke ayenze le ngizoyenza. Eyami kuphela. And ngigade njengesoko elinesikhwele. Sesiyaqala ngale process le. Kuthiwa unominatiwe, wa-electwa, wavuma ukuthi you are available as a candidate. Mina ngokuzwa ngalokho ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi uyavuma na are you available to stand as a candidate on Congress.
Siyabonga, ngiyavuma Comrade.
The second part, akuna any issues obhekane nazo involving a magistrate, amaphoyisa, izinto ezinjalo kwamanje.
No, I only there is nothing a magistrate. There is only a harassment order against one of the comrades abeba contest. But there is no case, it's just a harassment order. Efike seyindlulile le process.
Ngiyazwakala lokho. ngoba le lokho kunye okuseparate lokho but uzwakele lokho ukuthi kuna harassment order. So it means ukuthi umuntu uye magistrate no mana silungise into leyo akuseyona phela umuntu wethu lo whatever ezokhulunywa eyakhe yethu, so angeke siphumelana ngezinto esingazazi ngeke sosichaza kanjani. So le process iba transparent. So mase uvumile ukuthi uzoba i-candidate awusoyena ubaloyi wakho wababaloyi, ubaloyi wethu. So makuba unenkinga yokuphuza njalo siyokudefenda kumele sazi ukuthi yavela unjalo kodwa umuhle mumbheka makaphuzile yasimile muhle kumele siyidefenda thina. So akekho umuntu ozositshela ukuthi lapho singenzi njani ngoba i-candidate yethu le. So besayilungisa leyo part leyo ukuthi umuntu uye ku-magistrate wafuna i-order wathi amharass. So it's a protection order against that person. So we must ensure ukuthi manje ngithi interim noma yini sekuyi-order, final order.
No, it's an interim.
Okay. So thina ke kumele simlekelele ukuthi lo muntu angasondeli phambi kwakhe akasondeli phambi kwalomuntu. Kumele kumele simlekelela ngithi niyazi your campaign, and when you campaign you confront or interact nabantu bakathi angene eshop ahlangane nomuntu. So ngaso isikhathi esiningi isincane isikhulu angabi yedwa ngithi kube nabantu abazomlekelela babe naye ngoba siyazi ukuthi abantu bane interest bangafuna ukusebenzisa lento against thina ukuze angafiki kuleya date kumele afike kulo. Ayike I therefore declare ukuthi you are a candidate yethu. Lento ukuthi uphathi mic yangikhulumeza ngicela ibuye ngakini. Leyo mic ukuselenza ukuthi singayiboni. Amandla. Awethu. Ilaba bafana bomkhonto bathilanga selishoni. Ilaba bafana bomkhonto bathilanga selishoni wema. Hilo zintombi zo ngizophendula issue ye program of action, ngizophendula issue yama resources, and going forward ukuthi si relate kanjani as well. Kanti into ayiphelile. Kodwa yabona abantu abenza kanje bangikhumbuza enye club lapha ebholweni. Enobehave kanje. Hayi amaphosi thina amaphosi sisiphathe kahle, but angikho lapho ke othi ngibuya ngicela ukubuyela ke emsebenzi asikhohle zebhola. So manje ke normally kuma by election i-province ne-national comes on board from a resource point of view once a candidate is registered. We first part ukuthi nenze registration weekend nibe khona do door to door until a candidate is registered. I-process ye-branch ye-ward ekumele niyiprove ukuthi ngempela amandla khona sine-capacities nama-member ukuze sifeze nomsebenzi kumele siwenze. So manje ke kune-program of action eyasubmitha which is a budget requisition. Mele kuhlale i-region, i-branch, i-ward nilungise the final part of it. Ngoba sometimes nokufuna 300,000 kanti imali ayikho ekhona u-X amount. So angeke sithi njengoba nifake isicelo, maybe nathi isicelo senu sidinga ukuthi nibe sithole u-10 rand. Yenze ukuthi ningawuthola u-10 rand, nithola u-5, nithola u-6. But it's through engagement ke leyo. So leyo is very clear. Into comrade chair angicele yona ukuthi kulokho kumele senziqiniseke ukuthi ama-resources siyawalwela ukuthi asheshe afike. Ukuthi angafike. Ngoba yenye into esilimazayo ke leyo ukuthi masiqala le process lena ama-resources afike late singasakwazi nokusebenza kahle ke. So manje ke the last part ile POE emele submit as well. So POE izoyisubmit finalize yona bese ka implement then. And obviously whether there's a by-election or no by-election, provincial detachment remains in their place. The region remains in their place. So sebenza with them and through them as well. And the babasilekelela kakhulu. So Mamkhwebane remains instrumental. So the last point engicela nje ukuyenza before ngizodeda lana khona umphako usulethile. Musa bengicela ulethe igipa lapha namabheka wakho. So leza sesafunda ukuthi lento lezi kumele uyikhiphe abantu babona bese sizinikezele mana asilungiseni le ikipa lezi si national sithe asiletha okuncane uqala umsebenzi. Sizodiscuss amasiba ne-conversation program of action e-budget yenu ukuthi how far will national help you ngeyikipa ukuthi the total figure izoba ingaka. Sizobulungisa lokho. Kodwa le ikipa zinomthetho. Le ikipa ezase Ward 14. Le ikipa asihambe sima la kubhizi khona siphana ngeyikipa. Sesiyabona all over ukuthi mawuzo distributor iskipa without the voters roll sizolimala. So kubalekile ukuthi abantu abaningi bayayithanda ikipa zomkhondo. So ngabona zikhona. Into enhle ukuthi i-material ethi yathandeka kodwa ngicela siyisebenzise sparingly kuma voters. So mina ngomthetho angikwazi ukweqa i-province ukuthi yemna ama resource ngalethe straight. Amandla wamangivumela nje ukuthi ngalethe kuyi-province ithi provincial chair nazi siqala ngazo. U-provincial chair uye ozondlulisa kuze zize zifike uyona amandla ukuyisusa kuye athi nazo ke i-branch nazo ke ward asebenzeni ke. So i-process yethu injalo ke. Esukudingayo esingakutholanga ke in future masibuya sicela i-report yethu sicela kanje. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi kune-ward eyodwa inama voters, total registered voters in our ward manje is 2,2486 plus no 90 kwama online registration plus no 30. The 30 was included complete. So this is the final voters roll. So sifuna ukunderstand ukuthi kule final voters roll si campaigning ngakhi kwamanje in10 isinikeza ama voter contact sheet to 64. So it's not even 10% of the voters roll. So si monitor progress kanjalo manje mase kule stage esikhuluma ama figures kuphela. Sifuna ukunderstand ukuthi you have gone to this VD enama voters awungaka sile ezindlini sathola ama voters awungaka and nama voters angaka sathola bathe bazozivotela we've linked them to t-shirts. Ile nto sifuna ukuyizwa leyo. And there's accountability as well. Ngicela ukuthi ibranch ingenzi iphutha ukuthi ingakhiphe ama proper records because masifika ku by election i-membership izokhula. Sizohamba ne-information usalonga nalutho. So create a database yenu. Nama voter registration wenu nibe ne-duplicate yenu. Ngoba next year siza ku-election nina ni ward you will be ahead of everyone. Ngoba senawazi ama voters wenu. So approach it that way. The database needs created. The masses of Hamba na so if I will central database, nani in database membership, in database yenu, yama voters way. Loko kubaleka kakhulu. Ngokubona kwethu, it turn out, in national government election, the provincial government election, the local government election has found those two things. Abantu ba vote for separate reasons. So in national government election, abantu abaningi bayeza bazovota. So abantu ebezayo abako voters roll national wise go about 58% abantu aba voters avota ku national voters roll. Kuma local government election iba between 50% and 54%. But then go by election iyehla futhi iba between 30% and 38%. So if we are saying ukuthi total voters yethu is 2,483, sizothatha 30% of that. Chaza ukuthi the winning number ngo 30% turn out is 744. Abantu kumele sibathole manje before siyovote. Mhla sivote i-operation yokuthatha labo bantu labo bayovota kuphela. Nangizwa ngithi? So if inyuka i-turn out from 30% to 35%, 35% of the total voters roll, uba 869. So yabona ukuthi i-target yethu kumele siyibheke ukuthi i-target yethu is 900 kahle kahle. Ukuthi lana sifuna u900. Nina ningasho ukuthi 1000 mina nginkinga mina ngifuna 900. Manithole 1000 even better. Kodwa i-target yethu to win this by election is 900. So masithola lo 34% loyo or 35% ezinye inhlangano zizonciphisana kwazona. Omunye uzohlubuka athatha 14%, omunye athatha 20% ukuze sishala be-ANC yethu izosilekelela nathi sidle kubo futhi siqede umzila wabo. So masiphuma lana siphuma ne-clear understanding. Asithi nje abantu bayothanda umkhonto abantu bazozivotela bayothanda basenza ama-motorcade abantu bayavelela basupporte si-reporte factually scientifically as well. Kanjalo sikwazi ukuthi sihambe together. Nangoxaba lapho lana lapha ngase kule region le ngapha ngase uPhongolo Vryheid Mkhanya kude sibuya ku by election nawo umuntu engalina kuya azongichazela ukuthi ezinye izinto sizenze kanjani. So you understand ukuthi space esinenkatha benzana nabantu namanje benzani futhi kumele sigade futhi lana nama video yanciphile i-chance is even high. But the operation yethu chaza ukuthi kumele sibathole laba bantu abawu 800 or 900 before siyo vote. Last Tuesday yokuvota and the last Wednesday sifuna labo bantu esibacanvassile kuphela. I-voters roll sibekele side. Sifuna le list yama canvassed members lawo. So le list lena at the end of the next 2 weeks the list lena isinikeza until 900 umuntu. Kuleyo list sifuna igama isibongo full ID the contact number and address. Ungashoti phelele. Then we are sure ukuthi manzothi